Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to open Snapchat, and here you need to go to your profile, clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. And now you need to scroll down your profile until you will find friends section. So here it is, my friends. You need to simply click on it, and just for you to know, Snapchat has a limit of 1000 friends. So if you have more 1000 friends, it means you reach the limit and you need to delete some friend to add some more. So basically, to delete the friend, you need to choose the friend you want to delete, go to his profile, clicking on this profile picture, and go to the three dots in the top right corner. Now choose an option, manage friendship, the second one, and here you will have a bunch of options. You need to choose the third one, remove friend. So basically confirm the action clicking on remove. So basically we're removing this friend, and now we will have one place for our new friend, and we can add some more friends if we want. And basically that is it. That is how you can fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.